Hi, to use Health Snapshot Overview on your Vivo Active 5. As a first step, wake up your watch, and now we will need to open list of apps. For that, simply swipe down and here find this tab, Health Snapshot. If you cannot find it, then go in the Set It mode. Here tap on the plus and find it in this More tab. Now we will need to simply tap on it, and here to start measurements we will need to simply press this upper button right here, and let's do it. I'm gonna press the button, and now we are waiting for about 2 minutes till it's measuring our blood oxygen, respiration, stress level, and heart rate. Here you can see this tab, so let's just wait for 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes and we finished measurements, so here we can save this result by pressing the check mark. Now activity is saved and we can immediately check it. So just tap here on the arrow or swipe up and you'll see the heart rate and also this pop-up notification that your health snapshot is ready to view in the Garmin Connect app, but we'll check it later. Let's just discard this message, and here we can check result about the heart rate, respiration, stress level. Here we can also swipe up and check the summary. Now let's take our phone and open Garmin Connect app, which looks like that. Here, if your watch is connected to the app, in this Home tab you would see your health snapshot. So you would need to tap it and check all of the results just by swiping up, and also you can add some notes here. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.